Hey! Welcome back to our Monday Live with MJ and attorney 𝗟𝗏 for kick off the week on the brighter side. In under 2 minutes, we'll explore when to lean between community and the individual across life's 4 key aspects: spiritual, emotional, physical, and social in our series, Lean Between the Two.
Community refers to a group of people connected by shared goals, values, or interests, fostering collaboration and mutual support. On the other hand, individualism focuses on personal autonomy, self-reliance, and the pursuit of personal goals, often highlighting independence and self-expression.
While communities can provide emotional, social, and practical support, they may also impose conformity. Similarly, individualism allows for personal growth and freedom, but may lead to isolation.
MJ, what do you think about living for the community versus focusing on individual needs?
It's a tough balance, Sean. Spiritually, community is powerful. It can offer shared beliefs and practices that uplift. But individual spirituality lets you explore what truly resonates with you.
True, but spiritually, doesn't a community help ground you? Like having people to turn to in a faith crisis can be very reassuring.
Absolutely, Sean. But sometimes the group dynamic can be limiting. Individualism and spirituality allows for freedom of expression without judgment.
That's fair. Socially though, community seems unbeatable. Shared traditions, events, relationships gives us a sense of belonging.
Sure. But too much reliance on community can make you lose sight of your individuality. Socially, self-reliance teaches independence and the ability to stand out.
I hear you. But what about emotionally?
Communities provide amazing emotional support, like during tough times. You're never alone, but individualism teaches you how to handle emotions independently, which builds resilience.
True, but emotional independence can sometimes lead to isolation. Balance is key. What about physically?
Communities often encourage healthier lifestyles. Think group workouts or accountability. But individually, you can set personal goals without needing others to motivate you.
So you're saying both are valuable and come with trade-offs.
Exactly, Sean. Community and individuality aren't opposing forces. They're complementary. The real skill is knowing when to lean on one or the other.
Couldn't have said it better myself, MJ.
How about for our 8K before 8? How did we do?
For our 8K before 8 this week, we were not balanced. We were concentrating a little bit more on one thing. We didn't get there, and we didn't hit our 8,000 before 8 any of those days because of all the holidays and travel and parties. But it's a new week. We can start fresh. Let's do it again.
We lean in on the other aspect of our lives. Keep walking. See you next time. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.